There are several ways to perform defragmentation in Windows 10. The first method is like this. Go to the Start menu and click on Control Panel. Select the View option, Large Icons. Then go to Administrative Tools and look for Defragment and Optimize drives. By default, scheduled optimization, that is, defragmentation, is enabled in Windows 10. By clicking on Change Settings, we can view and change details of this function, that is, to enable or disable scheduled optimization every day, every week and every month. We can choose if we need notifications when 3 scheduled defragmentations were missed. And we can choose the disks which we would like to optimize on schedule, or enable or disable the function of automatic optimization for new disks. Close this window. And now you can optimize disks manually or analyze them first to see if they need optimization. For example, let us select disk C and click on Analyze. After the analysis, we will see the fragmented percentage of the disk. In my case, fragmentation is 0%. After that, click on Optimize and wait for the process to finish. I'd like to know that this defragmentation can take up quite a long time. The second method is defragmentation of the hard disk in the command prompt started by the administrator. To do it, go to the Start menu and click on Command Prompt Administrator. Then type in Defrag command and specify the letter of the drive to be optimized. For example, disk C. Then enter the necessary parameters. The list of parameters is given below in the description of this video. And press Enter. After that, the defragmentation process will start. As I have already said, it can be quite long. After the defragmentation process is over, we will see a report saying that the operation has been successful and giving us general data on the volume we have optimized, the volume size, free space left, total amount of fragmented space, and the maximum amount of free space. The fragmentation statistics does not include fragments of files larger than 64 megabytes. Thank you.